Hey guys, welcome back to the TechSole blog YouTube channel. This is Rahul here, and in today's video, we're doing a quick unboxing and review of a budget-friendly mobile gamepad from GameSir, which is GameSir X5 Lite. It's a compact and lightweight controller that offers Type-C connectivity, and it's compatible with both Android and iOS devices that has Type-C port. The box has a clean and decent design with some key details printed on it. Let's open it up and see what's inside the box. The first thing we find is the gamepad itself, which is neatly packed inside a protective plastic bag. Next, there's a user manual included, available in multiple languages for convenience. We also get a set of swappable silicone pads in various sizes. These are designed to match different phone designs, helping to ensure a secure fit with the gamepad. I have the black variant of the GameSir X5 Lite, but it also comes in a unique USB color option if you prefer something a bit more vibrant. Despite its compact size, the GameSir X5 Lite features thick, curved grips that feel ergonomic and secure in the hand. It weighs just 135.4 grams, making it incredibly lightweight and comfortable to use for long gaming sessions. The controller is stretchable up to 213 millimeters, which means it can even accommodate mini tablets with a USB-C port, perfect for larger mobile devices. On the front, you'll find dual Hall Effect sticks on both sides, along with a D-pad on the left and 4 responsive action buttons on the right. It also includes essential controls like menu, home, view, and an M button for custom functions. Around the top, it features analog triggers on both the left and right, and a special USB-C pass-through port that allows you to charge your device while gaming, ensuring uninterrupted and immersive gameplay. Connecting your phone is super easy. Just plug it into the movable Type-C port, which adjusts up and down for a secure fit. Once connected, the home button lights up in blue. If it doesn't, make sure that USB OTG is enabled on your phone. And that's it, you're ready to game. If you're on Android, you can even customize the controls using the GameSir app, although for now, it's Android only. After spending some time with it, I can say that the thumbsticks are surprisingly smooth, and the Hall Effect triggers deliver precise and consistent feedback. Thanks to the direct Type-C connection, input latency is practically zero, ideal for competitive gaming. The X5 Lite keeps things simple and minimal. It's lightweight, but still feels solid in the hands, no creaking, good grip, and clicky, responsive buttons. I really like the textured back. It adds grip without feeling cheap. However, there's no Bluetooth support, it's strictly wired via USB-C, which might be a deal breaker for some. No batteries needed, the controller draws power directly from your phone. Plus, the pass-through charging works flawlessly, so you don't lose battery mid-game. If you're a mobile gamer looking for a fast, responsive, and reliable gamepad on a budget, the GameSir X5 Lite is an easy recommendation. It's priced around $35. And I've dropped the link in the description below. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.